Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. I'm gonna yell a little bit louder since it's raining like a sumbitch here in Texas and pounding on this roof. And Kate asked me to make this video. So the A-body guys have always, before the ball joint sleeves, have always had to spend about double to do a disc brake conversion on a Mopar, because the A-bodies have a smaller knuckle and a small ball joint stem. Normal cars, BEs and later 60s and 70s C bodies, there we go. So, in the past, before I made the sleeves about 10 years ago, the A-body people had to spend about double the money to do a front disc brake kit, because they ordered their front disc brake kit and they get these new spindles in, the correct spindles, the 73 to 76 A-bodies, but here's the problem. Different size holes. So, how do you overcome that? Well, nobody ever thought about what I did, and being an engineer and loving to solve problems easily and effectively, I came up with the ball joint sleeves long time ago. Machine crush sleeves. Voila! We now have the same size ball joint stems. So, how do you use these things? Well, we put them in the directions, but people don't read the directions, you know. We got these beautiful directions in our kit, but they just take the booklets out and, oh, F that shit. I'll read it if I run into problems. And after they've tore up the parts. So, let me tell you how you do the crush sleeves correctly. And they come with these flanged, special, crimped top locks. Really, these are one-time use because, you know, the diameter's smaller, they crimp down, and they start grabbing the threads really, really tight. Especially if you throw some Loctite compound on there. They ain't never coming loose. So, the correct way to do them is just like this. Take the original castle nut. The original castle nut, and you use it first. Drop that sleeve in there. Tighten it down with the original castle nut. It's gonna act like a press, and pull it on in really, really super tight and snug. Basically, nearly deforming this into a perfectly tight, pressed fit. And then you take the castle nut off, and then you put your top lock on and run it on down all the way, and voila, you're done. These have been out for, I don't know, I guess about 10 years. It's 2020. I can't remember when I did that. But it's been a long time, and it has saved countless A-body people countless amounts of money. Do you have to use these? Of course you don't have to use them. If you want to go with $500 aftermarket A-arms or 76 ball joints or whatever, that's your plan, and that's your plan. We just made it easy for the easy guy. And, well, there's literally thousands upon thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people running around just like that. God bless you, God bless America, and happy moparing.